House, a hole inside my heart.
We have great-grandmother, or Omi, teaching Ari how to make German pancakes.
German pancakes. I'm a little scared of that. Dare not ask the ingredients of these German pancakes. What or whom might these German pancakes consist of? White Aryan Nazi who has all the secret Nazi recipes. The grandma does not love this dog. Now let's see again without the exciting rock music. It's sad, man. This kid is taking his rage out. He's just in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of a field, throwing a baseball into those. Dude, I guarantee his father whips the shit out of him. Someone's walking. What? The fuck is this guy's problem? Check that again. Fuck this guy. Fat guys crouching down is fucking funny. I don't care. So apparently you want to fuck the fire truck. Okay. Suddenly I'm getting a hard dick from this fire truck. There he is again. There he is. Big, fat, chubby baby face.
Slice apples and dip it in grease.
Why can't my granddaughter be white?
Are you spending a large portion of your paycheck each month on a high electricity bill?
Yes.
It'll just keep getting more and more expensive.
Rub it in,
That's
you
the
fucking
bad news.
cocksucker.
Hey, it's John with Equal Fish Company. What I have here for you is a gang of groupers.
Look at this guy and his fucking fish. This guy's like a more righteous version of that guy. Fuck your fish. Fuck your solar power. Fuck your truck. Old fucking bitch. Your pancake looks like shit. It's sweet in a way, okay? It's sweet. I have a heart. It's sweet. This little Asian girl took the time out of her day to do fuck all. Oh my god, he's bringing a rose. It's a proposal thing? It's a prom thing. They don't have fucking prom in China. Here's a flower. Oh my god, it's a wedding flower. It's a wedding ring. Yeah, eat that shit. Stupid.